Your mind is powerful, but it can also be chaotic. Emotions, distractions, stress, they pull you in all directions. Welcome to You Are Undefeated. What's the key to winning the day? Not more to-do lists, more control. Meditate for 10 minutes. Journal for 5 minutes. In silence, you find your power. In reflection, you find focus. This is how you master your emotions and unlock the true power of your mind. 1. Silence is a superpower. In a world filled with constant noise and endless chatter, silence stands out as a powerful force. Choosing when to speak and when to listen can set you apart, allowing you to observe, reflect, and understand more deeply. Silence gives you control over your emotions and your reactions, creating space for thoughtful decisions. By embracing quiet moments, you project confidence and strength, showing that true power often lies not in what you say, but in what you choose not to say. 2. Write it. Release it. Writing serves as a powerful tool for processing thoughts and emotions that might otherwise remain unspoken. By putting pen to paper, you create a safe space to explore your feelings, clarify your intentions, and make sense of complex experiences. Once written, letting go of these words, whether shared with others or kept private, can be liberating. This act of release fosters personal growth, helping you move forward with greater clarity, resilience, and a renewed sense of purpose. 3. Focus starts within. True focus is not something found in the world around us. It begins deep within ourselves. By turning inward, we learn to quiet distractions and cultivate a sense of purpose that guides our actions. When we align our intentions with our values, we can direct our energy toward what truly matters. This internal clarity acts as a compass, helping us navigate challenges and stay committed to our goals, even when external circumstances threaten to pull us off course. 4. Pause before you push. Pausing before you push forward is a subtle yet transformative habit. In moments of urgency or pressure, taking a brief pause allows you to reconnect with your intentions and assess the situation from a place of clarity. This simple act can prevent impulsive reactions, reduce stress, and enhance your decision-making. By embracing the pause, you honor both your emotions and your logic, ensuring that your next step is purposeful, thoughtful, and aligned with your true goals. 5. Tame the storm. Taming the storm within begins by embracing the calm that silence offers. When emotions surge and thoughts race, it is in the quiet moments that we find our anchor. Writing becomes a vessel, allowing us to pour out turbulence onto the page, transforming chaos into clarity. Through intentional pauses, we gain the space to respond with wisdom rather than react in haste. In this way, we harness our inner strength, turning life's storms into opportunities for growth and resilience. 6. Before the world demands you, center yourself. Before the world demands your attention, your energy, and your time, take a moment to center yourself. Begin each day by grounding your mind and reconnecting with your intentions. This quiet pause allows you to align your thoughts and emotions, creating a stable foundation before facing external pressures. By centering yourself first, you approach challenges with clarity and resilience, ensuring that your actions are guided by purpose rather than reaction. In this way, you become the calm amidst the storm. 7. This is the inner game. This is the inner game, the ongoing journey within, where true mastery begins. It's not about conquering the world outside, but about understanding and refining our own minds. Here, self-doubt transforms into self-belief, and distractions give way to unwavering focus. By nurturing patience and self-compassion, we unlock the resilience needed to face any challenge. Remember, every meaningful change starts from within. The inner game is where our greatest strengths are forged, shaping the path ahead. The world is loud, but your greatest power is found in silence. Meditate to gain control. Journal to gain clarity. When you master your emotions, you master your life. Focus isn't a gift, it's a skill, and you build it one quiet moment at a time. Start now. Take control. Stay undefeated. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks.